What's up, everybody? It's me again, your favorite fat boy, broadcasting to you from his mom's basement. I got another lady to unbox. I think, if I'm not mistaken, this has been sent over for the second time in a row now by our friends, our good friends at Haptelle, who sent us the lovely Kailani. But they sent the lovely previous lady with the ice cream and everything, which is one of my favorite accessories that I've ever gotten. It seems that, good lord, this tape has been, or there has been tape on the, whatchamacallit, on the foam, which is good right here. The box is an absolute mess on the outside, but the packaging has been great once more. There is wood here and foam, as you can see, hopefully, in the camera. I think they moved the side because this has buckled, so it has been through a customs check. The box has also been turned around, as you can see right there, being greeted by our good friends at Haptelle with the nice little box. There is another silicone fun thingy in here, which I cannot show because it has to be blurred. Not every moment calls for the full experience. This discreet silicone companion is our little gift to you. It's simple, portable, and made for private moments wherever you are. Haptelle, they think of everything. So there's like a little silicone thing in here that you could have seen in the previous video. If not, check out the link above here. So now we're going to open up the bag over here, or the box I should say. You will get all your accessories in here, which will be a brush, water thing for rinsing and cleaning, USB warming wand, traditional lingerie set, which I think they have very nice lingerie sets included. Oh, it's actually pretty cool that they put in these cardboard manual things in here too, cardboard cards. And what you'll find, your user manual, cleaning and care tips, warranty information, owner benefits, and updates, support, and contact. Go, of course, to haptelle.com/manual. And you will also be able to do it if you check out this QR code. So do that right now. Here's another one. Thank you for choosing Haptelle. They always go for the full experience. And here again is that beautiful little jewelry that they add as well, the necklace. So that's really freaking cool. Got our gloves, which is nice. We got our adapters in there who are loose in the bag, which is good too. My tip still to everybody is put these adapters, because they have grease on there, put them in a see-through plastic bag. That's all I can say for now. So we have a normal adapter, which I will show you right here. The normal screw-in adapter, which is a quick connect. And then we have the quick connect with the pivot style thread there, so you can turn the head a lot more, making it a lot more poseable. As you can see, there is a foam here for the neck. This is a piece of foam that can come loose if they're very hard with the box. As you can see, it's already a little bit loose, but because of that, they use a shoulder block in here as well, both sides, and also the gray foam that expands and takes on the whole shape of the lady. It's actually not a bad idea to have that foam block there for extra protection. So that's good. We got the head over here. It's implanted hair, as I can see. There's hair coming out of the face shield. So like I said, they have been rough with her. You can see this whole area of the box has been dented, but thankfully the feet are there and they are very good. They have very good protection, so we shouldn't be too worried about that. We have a completely packed in head. As you can see, there will be some hair protruding out of the face shield, but that's just, you can't always put that in perfectly unless you put a lot of clips on there. You can see it has been opened a little bit, but they've put in tape and extra face foam for her chin and her nose and eye area, forehead. So that's really nice. Alright, this is not the best look because I still have to style her hair. She has very luscious hair, but she looks amazing. Look, she really looks like a Latina in my opinion. She has that very cool face, that very cool expression. She looks really nice. There's a little bit of a eyelash that I need to style a little bit better. But this is really cool. They already make such gorgeous looking ladies. This one of course has the ROS. Here's just a small little preview of her mouth open. She has teeth, of course, so there are teeth there, and of course up top as well, which is difficult to see now with the lighting and everything. And then we will have, I think, yeah, we will have some structure. Feels very soft, and of course a tongue in there, which I don't know if I can show that real quick. is difficult to do. There you go. There's the tongue. Blah 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 blah. I actually forgot to show you that there's already a adapter there. There's a little bit of crud underneath there. I'll clean it up later. But the design regarding plopping on the head and this concave area is pretty cool actually. So all right, and here we have her clothed and still protected. But yeah, I can tell you right now regarding the lady, she looks stunning. She has a little bit of powder here and there, powder residue from the factory, which is good because powder helps soften her up. She's already a little bit pumped up because I had to flip her onto the table, but look at that. And then keep in mind that also the bikini is pretty tight around her body, which makes the jiggle even less apparent, but it's already so good. There's some pinches here and there in the silicone from transportation is stuff that has been on there, but this is already gone right now. She has pretty much a color and the body of a Latina, if I am allowed to say so. Just she looks really good. The softness is very apparent, the jiggle. Yeah, it's just really a really nice design. Haptelle actually sent me this lady to showcase the ROS head that accompanies this body, which is the lady named Marisol. So we will check her out in a couple of seconds as well, but let's go over the body first. Skin detail is amazing looking, and the knees look very good too. And now, of course, it's pretty dumb that I'm doing this right now because we still have to open up the protection. You can see, like I said, a little bit of a dimple or a dent here that will buff out as we, massage it a little bit more, probably because of shipment. And then there's a small little dimple in here as well. But the neck seems completely clean, just like last time. It's insane. Packaging is really nice too, and this is a nice shot as well. So this is a company that also really understands how packaging works. There was a shin guard on the leg, and there was more foam around it, painter's tape, so you can easily remove it. So that's also very nice. So let's get over the hands and feet real quick. As you can see, very fluid turning. Still though, we have the wrist turning action and not the whole bottom arm. That's something that I would like to see in the future because it's an overall nicer design, I think, personally. But you know, she looks gorgeous. She has her very natural nails like this. I don't always like colored nails. I do like stuff natural. Especially, women with makeup don't care for makeup. Natural is the way to go. But yeah, there's not a lot of strain when you turn it. You will see it here a little bit at the sock area, but it's not that bad. And yes, you will feel a little bit of difference. Look how malleable this is, and then this gets a little bit harder, but there's almost no sock line to see. So their design just keeps getting better, I think. Then the feet, of course, I'm doing this all with a free hand instead of my positioning thing that I can put the camera on, but no bones. So that's something that we can see in the future from them as well. You will be able to, let's see if I can do that real quick while holding the camera. There you go. You will be able to stretch the feet up and down. Let's see if these turn. Yeah, these turn. See, that's nice to see as well. And then you'll see the veins here. Realistic design. All feels very soft. I think Haptelle is actually a company that focuses a lot on softness. And, I think there are no companies anymore that make unrealistic ladies. Everything is just, really great, and it's getting better and better at most companies. So that's really cool to see. You can see the skin detail there, really nicely done. And then of course we have this one over here. You will here you can see a lot of when I'm turning, a lot of white stuff. That's all the powder residue. As you can see, I can move that with my finger easily like that. You should actually use a brush and make it less aggressive what I'm doing now, but it's fine because we're doing this for demo purposes. Inside of the hand seems to look very nice. And of course we have the bones that I didn't check with the previous one as much as I'm doing now. But yeah, just overall just a very nice design. And it's almost like you're touching a cloud, which I think is pretty dope. Not everything has to be so hard and so, unforgiving. Like I said, the neck looks good. This seems to be very nice too, especially when she's standing. She's laying now, so everything is going a little bit more flat. But look at the ripple. You see it? That's so nice. Like I said in all my other videos, I'm still waiting for a company that can make these things that even if the bikini is on and you do this, it will go completely all over the place, which I think is pretty epic. So always go from the outside in, and then there we go. Now, like I said, I have to style her hair. A little bit more detail of her face like so. I'm always trying to shake a little bit to see how far I can go regarding the power of moving a neck. But she looks really freaking cool. I think they have beautiful designs. I really like the eyes too. My wife actually has blue eyes, and I actually want to buy lenses for her to see how she would look with brown eyes, because I myself have brown eyes and I've always liked brown eyes. And this lady has a very cool tone and everything, how she looks. So this is how far she goes. She's looking a little bit to the other side. There we go. Maybe she should move the eyes a little bit. You will see some straining on her face regarding her eyes and her facial expression, as you can see here right now. But other than that, she looks pretty cool. She looks ready for action, if you like, if you know what I mean. Alright, so what I wanted to add is that some companies actually make the teeth protrude a lot more when you use the ROS function. And what I do like about this design is that you can clearly see her lips first. And her teeth are a lot more embedded downwards, and also here where it's more upwards. So you won't necessarily feel the teeth when you're going in like that. So that's actually a pretty cool design if you ask me. Yeah, her back looks really good too. Feels very soft. Not a ton of detail regarding her shoulder blades and all that stuff, but you do see the line of her her skeleton here, and the spine, of course, and then her caboose. It's a little bit flatter than other designs maybe, but it's also a very nice design, as I personally think that when a butt area sticks out too much, it's not as nice. But you know, I think the butt right here is pretty cool. So I'm gonna pick you guys up real quick. Show you guys from the side right here. See, it's not like super apparent, but there is a butt there. And it's actually, it's not super soft, but it's also not super hard. This is a lot softer than some of the other brands have dropped a butt area on me. But yeah, she just looks really cool, really cute. Nice color, nice details. Alright, so this has been another unboxing by me, yours truly, Rebel Drifter. Go check out Haptelle and Marisol, and of course my previous unboxing from Haptelle with the Kailani lady and her lovely little outfit and ice cream. And yeah, go check them out. Use the Rebel 150 for a $150 discount, and be happy with one of the Haptelle ladies. Please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Have a great rest of your week, and stay tuned for more silicone ladies coming up on the channel. Shout out to Haptelle once more. Thank you very much for believing in me and my channel and supporting us doing these collaborations.